Yes, sir.
My wife contacted cancer about in 1992 and diagnosed me with remission. And so at that time I started checking my herbs. And so the day of this year, I didn't hear anything. Just remember wrong what you said. I agree with about 99 to 100% of what you said today. But one thing that I didn't realize that you mentioned about those different vegetables like carrot, garlic, and celery and so forth. I've been using that and juicing those different types of things for her. And she has a problem now with the cancer. She has some other problem generated from that. It seems like she had a blood clot. Just got released from the hospital a couple days ago. Another clot for her leg. Blew it out. And then she was taking iron pill, iron sulfate, and water pills. So, and she's been on intravenous medication in the hospital to relieve some of that swelling. She's taking some recommended products, medicine taken in the hospital to relieve some of that swelling.
Yeah, but that's okay. You don't have to read it out.
And it's going down a little, but it hasn't gone down as acute. The ankle leg is still swollen. So this product is the Bio 1 and 2. If she takes those two products, that has an effect on relieving that swelling.
Oh, yes, you could try that first. I would recommend that you take the complete therapy, but if you want to try the Bio 1 and 2, I assure you that she will see results of it immediately, too.
Okay.
You could try that.
And I say, what I heard, this works. If I see any type of result from it, you gotta convert here.
Thank you, sir. Well, I'm a convert.
Yes, sir.
I'm a convert to what I promote.
Right.
And I hope that I'm the best convert, because if the more I deliver myself to it, the better it is for me.
Right.
If I tell you how good these things are and how good God's medicine work, and I don't take it, something's wrong, isn't it?
Right.
But what I said yesterday to someone, that I give thanks to God to allow me such a good life since 30 to 65, which is 35 years. I went into a house in Los Angeles because they're showing this house for sale. When I opened in the bathroom this cabinet, I realized that it has been 35 years since I had a medicine cabinet. This thing was full of medicine. And everybody have those medicines. They have them in bags. They carry them around. And the body's still sick. And then we have to carry them for life. You know? And that's not so.
Okay, one other thing. Will this, taking the electric medicine that you have, can you take that in conjunction with what's
with the doctors? Yes, you can, because there will be no flashpoint. Flashpoint means chemical reaction, which means if the body becomes a war zone. No, this is natural. This is going to assimilate.
What if she's taken from the doctor just for a couple of days, 2-3 days?
She will see results faster with this. Thank you.